Do not make the same mistake that I made. I don't know if you can already see what the mistake is, but I assembled this all by myself. I am not handy, and I was so proud of myself that I assembled this little 3-cube organizer for our room. We just needed something really small and simple, and this really fit the bill. It wasn't a huge price commitment or size commitment, and it's just perfect for what we needed. But if you can see, I made a mistake when assembling this. This is paper, because I assembled this whole thing by myself, like I said, and I get to the last step where you're nailing this in the frame here, and I thought it looked so good, and then I turned it around and it was brown, because I don't know if you can see, this side is brown particle board, and then this side is the side that's supposed to be facing inwards. That way this part is white. The backing is white. But if I took this paper off, you would see brown, because I did this wrong. I was able to assemble this whole thing in just half an hour by myself with a hammer, and I had my audiobook on. I was so proud of myself, and then turn it around and it's installed backwards. And it would be super hard and time consuming to take all these nails out and flip it around. So what I did is I just cut up some white paper and I just taped it to the inside. So not a perfect solution by any means, but it works. You can't really tell. Now, if I could go back, I would not even use the nails at all. I would honestly just use command strips or hot glue or some other kind of adhesive glue and just glue that backing on. Unless you have things on here that are constantly pushing against the backing, I feel like using some other kind of method to attach that backing is sufficient. So if we do end up buying a second one of these, I'll just be using hot glue or some kind of other adhesive to attach that backing. We're not putting anything super heavy on here, and so I think I'm going to save myself the headache of using the nails and just attach the backing some other way. But that's my opinion, and that's what I'm probably going to do. But my installation issue is no fault to the manufacturer. This is a great shelf, great quality, and really fits our needs perfectly. So if you're watching this and you have not set this up yet, don't make my mistake. Slow it down and just install it correctly the first time. You'll save yourself a lot of headaches and a lot of tape. I had to tape all of this paper on, and you can't really tell. I mean, you can, I guess, right now because there's nothing on the shelf, but you can't really tell whenever there's things on there. But overall, great shelf and really works well in our small space. And if you're looking for a small shelf, this one really is a great option.